Good afternoon. I'm the captain of Marti Technical High School.
Name?
My name is Orane Gayle.
Alright, Orane, disappointing result here. What do you think about the game today?
Bad game for my side. We get a lot of chance. I would decide not to fire. That moved the momentum from the side.
Yeah, definitely. I know you thought that you'd have gotten something from this game. What do you think about the game overall?
Game overall is not a bad game. Cause some good, cause some kind of good, but not really. But otherwise from that, the game is alright.
Otherwise, from a team not putting a chance away, what else do you think your team could work on to capitalize on games like these?
Early attack. Early attack. We are sit back too much. We are telling them to go forward. Them still are sit back. Them turn back the ball too much time. That's all.
So would you say this is just a general defeat or a lesson learned?
Lesson learned.
Alright, so we expect better in next game, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, bless up your captain.